Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link the Evony game onto your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Evony game on your device, and once you open it, if you're playing the game for the first time, you will be taken through the various steps and the tutorial to get the basic gameplay understanding. Once you complete the basic tutorial level, you will gain access into the menu icon, which you can tap on by tapping on the three dots at the bottom right corner. From here, simply tap on Settings, and now in order to link your Evony game into your Facebook account, tap on the Account menu. From the Account menu, click on Link Account, and you will see the Link Facebook option. Click on Link Facebook, and now if you have already logged into your Facebook account on the Facebook app within your device, then you will simply need to click on the Allow button to proceed forward with linking your Facebook account on the game. Once your account has been linked, the Link Facebook button will turn into Unlink Facebook. And when you turn back, you will see that within your account information, you will find your Facebook account details as well. And if you wish to unlink this account at any point in time, you can simply click on the Link Account option, and then you will find the Unlink button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Facebook account onto your Evony game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.